Like, share and subscribe, but be sure to tell a friend to read 25pages.com daily. Let's examine closely the impact on global warming in the phase timeline of natural gas. For years, natural gas has been touted as a cleaner alternative to coal and oil. Burning natural gas for electricity produces fewer carbon dioxide emissions. However, some microorganisms, such as cyanobacteria and phytoplankton, produce methane during photosynthesis under oxygen-rich conditions. This phenomenon has been observed in aquatic ecosystems, where methane is released even in oxic environments, potentially contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. Natural gas is significant to climate change. It produces less CO2, however, its overall climate impact is substantial due to its methane leaks. It has been an attractive option for countries looking to transition away from dirtier fossil fuels, but methane is a potent greenhouse gas, with 30x the global warming potential of CO2 estimation over a 100-year period. Studies show methane leaks from natural gas supply chains are more prevalent than estimated. Power plants have switched from coal to gas. This shift has been praised for reducing our carbon footprint. Photosynthesis and other terrestrial materials won't directly decompose methane. Artificial compounds are integral parts of the complex methane cycle in its eventual decay. But this narrative of natural gas as a climate solution is deeply challenged. The problem lies in the often overlooked issue of the environment's methane leaks. Methane is the primary component of natural gas. It is a far more potent greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. While it doesn't linger in the atmosphere as long as CO2, its warming potential is significantly higher. Over a 20-year period, methane is 84 times more potent at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. Every stage of the natural gas supply chain is susceptible to methane leaks. These leaks occur during drilling, extraction, processing, transportation, and distribution. Aging infrastructure, accidental releases, and even routine venting all contribute to the problem. While these leaks are often invisible to the naked eye, their impact on the climate is undeniable. Recent studies have revealed that methane leaks from the natural gas industry are far more significant than previously estimated. A 2018 study in the journal Science found that global methane emissions from the oil and gas industry were 60% higher than previous estimates. These findings highlight the urgent need to address methane leaks if natural gas is to play any role in a cleaner energy future. Proponents of natural gas often argue that it can serve as a bridge fuel, providing a temporary solution while we transition to renewable energy sources like solar and wind. However, this argument ignores the long-term implications of continued reliance on fossil fuels. Building new natural gas infrastructure locks us into decades of continued emissions. This makes it more difficult to achieve the deep decarbonization necessary to avoid the worst impacts of climate change. Investing in natural gas infrastructure diverts resources away from truly clean energy solutions. It also creates a powerful industry lobby that will inevitably resist a full-scale transition to renewables. To avoid catastrophic climate change, we need to rapidly transition away from all fossil fuels, including natural gas. Science is clear. We cannot afford to wait for natural gas to magically transform into a climate solution. The urgency of the climate crisis demands that we pursue every available pathway to reduce emissions, and that means prioritizing true renewable energy sources like solar, wind, geothermal, and tidal power. These technologies are already cost competitive with fossil fuels in many parts of the world, and their prices continue to fall. Investing in renewable energy will not only help mitigate climate change, it will also create jobs, improve public health, and reduce our dependence on finite and polluting fossil fuels. The time for half measures is over. We must embrace a future powered by clean, renewable energy, and that future can be debated as it includes the bridge made of with natural gas.